Hey guys, Alex here from Genesis Web Design. A little tutorial about adding articles to your blog entry and then linking those articles to your Facebook page. I'm going to try and say as little as possible in this tutorial, so you can judge me on it afterwards. So I've got some information from an article online. I've ripped it off from somebody. Now, whether you choose to write your own article or do the same thing, but I've copied and pasted it to my Word document here. We actually don't need that title because we'll put the title in. So I'm going to highlight just the text, and you can either right click and copy, or you can Control or Command C to copy the text. So that's copied into my clipboard. The next thing is I'm going to grab an image. Now, I've done a search for cosmetic dental, and then I've clicked on the images tab on the Google search here, and I've come up with some images here. Now, I like this one. Now, when you hover the mouse over it, it'll show you the size of the image. This is pretty good, about close to 500 pixels. That is 500 pixels wide is good. Something like some of them are, like this one here, it's 1400. That's getting too big. It's too much to load up onto your page, and it slows everything down. So I'm going to go with this one, and you click on it. I like to go into View Image. Then you get this clear picture. You can right click on it and then save image as. Now, I've already done that, and I've saved it to my desktop. So we'll go back here to the back end of the Joomla website, which you should be pretty familiar with by now. We're going to add a new article by clicking on the Add New Article button. Type in our title. This is why we didn't bother highlighting it before. Is cosmetic dentistry right for you? Now, this is important, is to select the category, and the category, of course, is news. Now, down here, it is important to note that you cannot right-click and paste. It won't let you. What you'll have to do is use the keyboard shortcut for paste, which we all know is, if you're on a PC, it's Control V, or if you're on your Mac, it's Command V, and it will copy in for you. That's the only way to let you do it. So there's our text in. Now, we also want to add a Read More button here, because when you go to the News and Info page, we want to see all the articles listed and a little bit of text, and then the Read More link if we're interested in reading the entire article. So we'll set our cursor right where we want the Read More button to appear. Now, we actually set it at the end of the text right here, and it will automatically appear on the next line. So we put it there. So I'm just going to put it at the end of the first paragraph. Click the Read More button, and there it is, appears as a red line. Now, to the side here, you will have these options here. We need to go into Images and Links. I just minimized it there before. That's it there. Now we want an intro image. Now, I've created a folder here called News. There's currently nothing in there, but down here we have an upload file feature, so we can hit Browse, go to our desktop. Here's my picture that I downloaded earlier. It's called cosmetic.jpg. I will double click on that and then click Start Upload. And that should upload for me fairly quickly. There it is. Click on the image itself. You'll see currently the URL is blank. Once I click on the image, there it is, and press Insert. And there it is, inserted there. I can set the image float, whether I want it to sit on the left, the right, or none, which I think is middle. By default, it's set to left, so I'll leave it on Use Global. Now, if we also want that picture to appear in the article, the main article, the full article itself, we will have to set full article image as well, and we go through the same process, except this time we won't have to upload it. We've already done it. Click on our news folder. There it is. Click on it so the URL displays, then click Insert. It appears. We've just checked we've got everything right. News, yep, we've got that. We've got our Read More button. Save and close. Then if I click up here on the view site, it'll open our site in a new tab. We will go to the news and info page to see a new article, and here it is. And as you can see, it's only displaying that first little section. And as we get more items in, they'll just appear like this, one underneath each other on this same page. I've set the limit to 5, so it will show 5 articles like this before showing pagination, next for page 2, page 3, etc. And it'll have links to other articles as well down the side. Now, for us to add to Facebook, I'll go to Facebook. I don't know whose Facebook I logged into. Me. Okay, so we're logged in. Now we're going to write, check out our latest news article about cosmetic dentistry on our web page, and I'll click enter and enter again. Now we want to copy the link in here. We'll go back to to the front end. Now this isn't the link here. This here is the link to the blog page with all the blogs. At the moment there is only one. To get to the full article, we can click either the title or the read more button. And that will take us to this individual article, and this is our URL up there. So click up in the address bar, Command or Control C to copy it, or right click copy, go to Facebook, Command or Control V or right click paste to copy out. Now it will give a little link down here with some imagery there. You can actually down here choose a thumbnail, and we're going to choose that one because that's related to, and then you click post, and there you've got a link, a direct link with the intro text to your article, the picture. It's great. People can quickly click on that link there to link straight to your web page. It'll open your web page up in a new tab. So that is how you do that.